Hi y'all, today we're gonna make something really special. It's a snack, it's a treat, it's a side, it's organic and it's gluten-free, so that's why I like it. And you can find this at your local grocery store or Trader Joe's, and it lasts pretty long. If you're trying to be gluten-free, it's a nice snack, and people don't realize that. You can substitute fries, you don't have to eat fries, you don't have to eat potato or rice all the time, and then it's grain-free. So if you look at the ingredients, it's pretty simple. It's water, organic yellow cornmeal, beta carotene. So beta carotene is always great. It's a natural color. Here it is. What we're gonna do is cut it in 1, 2, 3 pieces. So it looks like this, and we're gonna be making strips today. We're gonna have basically a sheet here. You can use silicone-free sheets. I don't like to use aluminum because that can be stuck in the body, in your liver, in your brain, and your immune system definitely doesn't like it. And that's common causes of autoimmunity, even dementia. So look for parchment paper if you can, or silicone sheets. So this is the polenta. That was so easy to slice, right? No, not so much prep. This is only a 5-minute prep, easy peasy. This dish will only take 30 minutes or less. So what am I gonna put? I'm gonna put some garlic powder. Just sprinkle that on, where you can see it evenly on the polenta. If you are not a fan of garlic, or if you're allergic, you can just use black pepper, which I'm putting in, and it's still very delicious. Polenta has a nice flavor to it already. Paprika, smoked paprika is fun. You see it on deviled eggs, potatoes, in some rotisserie chickens. So I'm just gonna put some. That might seem like a lot, but I'm gonna sprinkle it, make it even. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And think about it, 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees, but really gotta check your oven and see how it works. Little mini oven Cuisinart. I like it because it's stainless steel. We use it very often. So you can see, let's see, 350. And I think about 20 minutes would be good. Once again, know your oven, 15 to 20 minutes, 350 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. Check it. You might want to flip the polenta so it's evenly crispy and you can enjoy it. So BRB. Hi everyone, so this is the final product. It's polenta, fries or wedges, just like this. So good. Have it, it's so flavorful already because it has garlic powder and black pepper and paprika. Really tasty. You can add ketchup if you want, but really that usually has extra, I would say, sugar and salt that you don't need. Some people might want to put other things like hot sauce, other things, but always read the labels. I'll tell you what Dr. Yu Micah likes. This brand I've been following for many years now. It's called Chu Made Foods. It's real ingredients. It has apple cider vinegar, tomato puree, apple, butternut squash, carrots, mustard, black pepper, salt, red pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika and sage. So no sugar added, no artificial ingredients, 100% American grown vegetables. Really nice, some fiber in it, 0 added sugars. Really good, no refined sugars, no artificial sweeteners or preservatives, real food. So that's a sauce. They have barbecue, they have ketchup, different ingredients, and I think you'll really like it. So cheers to the fry, cheers to polenta. It's a wedge, it's for you. Enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like it, it's great. If you don't have allergies, you will enjoy it as a nice snack. Have some and have no guilt fries. It's really good.